30 common English questions for kids. What's your name? How are you? How old are you? Do you like ice cream or cake better? Where are you from? What's your favorite book? Where do you live? Who do you live with? What's your favorite subject in school? What's your favorite game to play? What's your father's name? What do you want to be? What grade are you in? Where do you study? What animals do you like? What fruit do you like? What food do you like? What's your favorite sport? What color do you like? Where do you want to go? What do you want to eat? Do you want to swim? Do you want to fly? Can you swim? Can you fly? Can you run? Can you jump? How many eyes do you have? How many noses do you have? What's the most exciting dream you've ever had?